Welcome to SMTA Guadalajara. I'm delighted to be joined by Eduardo Gomez. He is the sales manager here for Apollo Seika in Mexico. Welcome.
Hey, good afternoon, guys. Thank you for giving me this space.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So for those of our viewers that are not familiar with Apollo Seiko, give us a quick overview of the robotic processes and systems that you do.
Okay. Well, we are the first company who develops a soldering robot. Okay. We have different type of machines. For example, we have the desktop robot with 4 axes. Okay, X, Y, Z, and theta. Okay. Also, we have several different technologies for achieve the quality and the cycle time that our customer requires.
Right.
For example, we have the iron tip. This is our bread and butter.
Yep.
Okay, the iron tip, but also we have laser soldering systems.
Okay.
And
so
also,
when would you use laser soldering systems versus the iron tip traditional?
For example, when we have a difficult time to get into the pin to solder, okay, if the space is reduced, we usually use the laser soldering. Also for fine pitch connectors or even as integrated circuits. Okay, we can use the soldering laser.
Right.
Okay. Because the tip, we need space to use the tip and the soldering, and with the laser we can only need to fit the soldering.
Okay. So, I mean, robotic soldering is something that's very much on the increase at the moment. People are looking for more increased automation in the factories.
Yes.
And using less manual labor to improve quality for among many things. But one of the issues is how easy are they to program and how automatic are the systems?
For example, it's really, really easy. If I can do a program, because I did, everybody can do that, okay? It's really, really easy to do the program. For example, you can take, to program the coordinates on the system, you can take like maybe 1 to 2 minutes, okay? The soldering condition is different because we need to program the amount of soldering, the temperature, but I think in a couple of hours, you can have a strong program to run your production.
Right. Okay. So each point you need to specify the temperature and the dwell time on that point.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, I get it. Fine. So I believe you've also moved more recently into doing some selective soldering.
Yes. We are trying to get into that market.
Okay.
For example, right now we have one machine here in our booth, okay, the Apollo Seiko booth, because we think that that's a new market for us, okay. So we have a strong technology because we have a huge team doing the research.
Yes.
Okay. Our machine is really, really equipped, okay. We have fiducial cameras, preheat, sensors for temperature, for RPMs, so the customer can be sure that the process is controlled with our machines.
Right.
Yes.
Okay.
And we have, for example, inline machines, modular machines. Okay, we can have soldering, preheat, and pot. Okay, we can use.
Oh, I see. So you can use different configurations to be able to offer an end-to-end process.
Yes, we can be up to 8 modules.
Okay. Right.
So it's a big machine.
Yeah.
But we can solve a lot of the different application that the customer has.
Excellent. Great. Okay. Well, it's certainly interesting to learn more about Apollo Seiko. So, Eduardo, I want to thank you very much for coming in and telling us about it today.
No, thank you for your time. Thank you for this space. And hopefully you can enjoy this show with us.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.